Laughter is truly the best medicine, and it's free. So here's a joke for today called First Airplane Trip.
3-year-old Ted was excited to visit his grandma in Florida, especially since it meant taking his first trip on an airplane. When he and his parents boarded and got buckled in, Ted looked around the plane in wonderment.
What is it, Teddy?
Are all these people going to Grandma's house too?
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/NWN.
Heaven is watching. Stop worrying.